Okay, so I got a pretty sweet hotel room. This is in Saigon, District 1. So I'm gonna, there's the bathroom right there in case you're curious. And basically I have this with a window above the bed right there as well. But actually the coolest part is that I got windows on all three sides. So I can also hang out right here and overlook the view down the street. And I can even see that rooftop a little bit and just all the different street scene stuff from right here. And can also go on the other side and look down in here. So I got that view as well. So kind of cool. Kind of cool. And we're gonna do a little one of this hotel. I'll tell you more about it. And I'll also go down down there and kind of see if we can see it from down there as well. Saigon. Saigon, Vietnam. And you're probably wondering, where does a person like me stay when they go to some of these places? And I stay in a pretty big range of places, but one of the things that I've been looking for recently is ones that are kind of like centrally located with amazing window views. And this one was definitely hit the mark for that. So this whole video is just basically, you saw some of the highlights anyways in the music, but then you're gonna see me kind of talking it through and just kind of explaining it out as well in the walk and talk. And by the way, I spent maybe, was it 5 days in Saigon? So I got a lot of videos to upload. And so so we've just uploaded a few, so I probably have another at least 20 or more to upload. So I'm gonna upload a new one about every 5 days. So subscribe, check it out below. Some of them will be listed down below as well in the links, and you can view some other ones as well. And I definitely have more in the future. Saigon, Vietnam. Yeah, you can't get better than that, man. Amazing. I guess I need to open up that window right there too, and I'll definitely get better. Get like all the different signs. And I think this one right here kind of stops it from people coming looking in so much, so you can just kind of have like a eyes view, I guess, which is kind of cool, just to kind of get a respite from the streets, but also be able to kind of take it all in, you know, knowing that you're in Saigon and just kind of still getting that full-on experience. Anyways, I'll tell you more about this hotel in a moment. So this is the hotel from the outside. It's called the Noble Swan Hotel, New World. And you can see, I'll try to get my angle from that window in different locations. So I'm gonna just go up over there and we'll see if we can see the window from these different views. And I'll also tell you what street we're on as well. I'll do the cross street, which is directly up here. So that's the nearest cross street. So let me just kind of see, we'll try to capture, so you can kind of see it over there, the top of it, but I'm gonna go across and then we'll be able to see it really well from up here. So let's go over to this side, and then we're going to check it out from here. And now you can see it really clearly right there. The yellow sign, it says the Noble Swan Hotel. And so my window would be the one with the, I guess open up the curtains. So the curtains, I guess I didn't know it's that visible, but that's the room. So let's just kind of walk down a little bit. So yeah, it's like right there. Oh, that's really visible. I didn't realize it was quite... Okay. So we're gonna walk down a little bit more, and then I'll try to capture it from the other angle so we can see the other window. So there's all of the windows up there, the Noble, and I can see somebody else in another window. I guess he's also quite visible as well. So let's just kind of go down a little bit further, and we're gonna go down to the edge of the street. But anyways, that's a hotel, and this is the street scene that you would look down on. And that would be some of the windows on the other side. So I opened up all my windows so I can actually, it looks like darker from this side. But we're gonna go all the way down. And then we're gonna go to this corner here. And this corner looks like kind of a sit outside restaurant here. Okay. So let's go down a little bit further. So yeah, I guess those windows are quite bit. I thought that was like a protection, this bottom half, but apparently that's like kind of wide open. So it's good to know. So yeah, my window's the one that's open right now, but it looks dark on this side. But anyways, that's the hotel, and this is the location. So a little part of Saigon here. And we're just kind of right in the midst of it in this area. So, okay. Okay, so that's the hotel right there. Let me just kind of give you a brief description of it. Let me step back a little bit. So we're gonna come right to this corner here. And that hotel was about it is $40. It's about 1 million dong. So there it is right there. You can see the Noble Swan Hotel in gold and the windows as well. So that was so for those views, it's only 1 million dong, which is about 40 American dollars. Booked online. There's other rooms in that place, so you have to make sure that you get the I think it's called the suite. So nonetheless, Noble Swan Hotel in Saigon District 1. So that was the street we were just walking on, and now it's raining. So actually this is the street that's below my hotel. I got another window here. So that was the one we just walked. Suddenly pouring out.